Today in Logroño was my repair day from my bugs, but I did get out for a little bit in the afternoon, and it was a really beautiful thing. I saw children playing, and I saw so many elderly outside sitting in the shade, talking and reading, just enjoying their Sunday afternoon. None of the stores were open today except for the bars which sell tapas and wine. And that is the theme for this area. It was a really wonderful thing. As you enter the plaza, you hear just this buzz of laughter and talking and music, and everyone just enjoying themselves, looking at each other in the eyes. So although I didn't get to get out and do much more than that, I did see the outside of the cathedral. It was closed. And so I just recorded that and had a gelato, and I went back to my hotel room.
I am standing in the Plaza Mercado in Logroño, and I'm looking at the most magnificent cathedral. It's called Santa Maria Cathedral. It's built in the 16th century. Can you believe that? The 16th century. Imagine all the millions of people that have come in and out of here. But this place is known for their wine. It's La Rajoya wine. And so you see all of these tapas bars are also known for tapas, which are, let's see, anyways, behind me, right there. This area is known for wine and tapas. And tapas are just little bits of heaven. There's like 2 and 3 bites on a plate, and they just have them in rows. Everything tastes amazing. I don't even know what I eat. I just point to them, and then they're delectable. They're wonderful. And they're like $1.50, so or 1.5 euros. So you can have a really cheap meal for $3, $4, and it's unlike anything else. The area is like old and new kind of combined, kind of Gothic looking, and what I love is this is a Sunday afternoon, and people are out in the shade here and just enjoying their family and their friends and socializing, and they sit at these bars having wine and their tapas and not a cell phone in sight. It's fabulous. America needs to do that. We should start that. That'd be awesome. Anyways, just wanted to show you this. I'm going to get closer. The sun is on the church, so it kind of gets blown out, and it won't do it justice, but I'm going to show you the church right now. I can't go in because it's closed, but I wish I could, but I'm sure it's grand. I'll show you the outside. It's fabulous. Okay, here you go.